Welcome to my channel Innovation IC. Here you can see a buck and boost converter I have made on the 0 PCB near the back side of the whole circuit, and here you see 38433 IC, the main controller of the whole circuit, and N channel MOSFET Z44N. So in the input you can give up to 30 volts from 12 volt, and in the output it can give from 2 volts to 40 volts. And I am using a 12 volt lithium ion battery pack as input source. So here I have connected 12 volt in the input, and for the voltage measurement I am using this multimeter. Now connect the probes negative and positive. Here you can see the output voltage is 39, and this is the maximum we can get from this circuit. So decrease from using this potentiometer of 10K. Now you can see the output is changing, it's decreasing when I rotate in the anti-clock, and when I rotate in the clock it's increasing. So let's see the minimum voltage we can get. So the minimum voltage is 2 volts. So let's test some load. Here I have this 24 volt 50 watt DC motor. Now connect this. So try to increase voltage. So at 3 volts it start rotating very low speed. Now increase more. You can see it's increasing very smoothly, and motor is rotating at very high speed. Now the 24 volt is achieved and motor is rotating very high speed. So here you can see also when I try to stop the motor off, it's very hard to stop. Also the feedback loop of the whole circuit is very narrow. Now increase more voltage. Now the maximum voltage we can find is 38.
Just 13 volts.
Now in this multimeter you can see the input voltage from my power supply. So here you can see the output is 11.2 volts and the input is 13 volts.
So here I'm increasing my input voltage. See in the below meter. There's no voltage in the input, and it's 30
volts. So I will recommend this circuit not use over 30 volt because IC or MOSFET will be broken. By decreasing the input, and the output is still 39 volts. So you can use it as a MPPT charge controller, because this circuit is input from 12 to 30 volts and output is from 2 to 40 volts. The whole circuit and full details are given in the description. You can check out, and also please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends.